A new order just came in. This order is going to a building in Korea that contains 306 studio apartments. The units average about 250 per square feet. Now, heading to the studio apartment building where the customer lives. According to 2024 statistics, Seoul had about 1.66 million single-person households, accounting for 39.9% of all households. This creates strong demand for compact homes for people living alone in Seoul and the surrounding metropolitan area. Compact studio apartments like the ones we're visiting today are common throughout the region. I've arrived at the building with the studio apartments. This is Tower in Enyang, a city in the Seoul metropolitan area. From this area, it takes roughly 1 hour to reach Seoul Station by public transportation. There are 306 studio apartments inside this one building. There are 18 residential floors, with an average of about 17 units on each floor. Access to the residential floors is controlled, so visitors cannot simply walk in. Delivery riders must enter the access code provided by the customer or use the intercom to ask the customer to unlock the entrance. Now, heading up to the customer's floor. The studio apartments in this building average about 250 per square feet. That is considerably smaller than a typical studio apartment in the United States. However, each unit is designed to fit most of the essentials of daily life into a limited amount of space. When you step inside from the hallway, the first thing you see is a small entryway. As in most Korean homes, residents remove their shoes before stepping into the main living space. Just beyond the entrance, a compact kitchen runs along one side of the hallway. It includes a sink, an induction cooktop, a refrigerator, and several storage cabinets. A front-loading washing machine is also installed beneath the kitchen counter. Major appliances such as the refrigerator, washing machine, air conditioner, and induction cooktop come with the apartment. Residents do not need to purchase or install these appliances separately. Across from the kitchen is a compact bathroom. The shower, sink, and toilet are all fitted into the same limited space. Unlike many American bathrooms, the shower is not completely separated by a large enclosed stall. Past the kitchen and bathroom is the main living area. On the lower level, there are no separate rooms for the bedroom, living room, or dining area. The same compact space is used for eating, relaxing, working, and storing personal belongings. Built-in cabinets along the wall provide extra storage without taking up much floor space. The living area has a window that opens to the outside. In a space this small, natural light and ventilation can make a major difference in how comfortable the apartment feels. The window can be opened for ventilation, and it lets in natural light during the day. The air conditioner is built into the ceiling, so it does not take up additional floor or wall space. The apartment also uses Korean-style underfloor heating. Hot water flows through pipes beneath the floor, warming the living space from below. One of the most noticeable features is the loft-style layout. A staircase beside the living area leads to an upper sleeping area. The loft makes more efficient use of the apartment's limited floor space. The lower level is generally used as the main living space, while the upper level is commonly used for sleeping. Depending on the rental agreement, furniture such as a bed, sofa, or television may be included, or the tenant may need to provide their own. This small apartment fits a kitchen, bathroom, washing machine, refrigerator, storage, heating, air conditioning, and a sleeping area into one compact space. Although it is small, it includes most of what one person needs for daily life. That efficient use of limited space is a defining feature of Korean studio apartments. Recent asking prices for studio apartments in this building are around $107,000. To rent one, the tenant typically pays a security deposit of about $6,700, plus around $400 a month in rent. In Korea, even tenants who pay monthly rent are often required to provide a relatively large security deposit at the beginning of the lease. The deposit is normally returned when the lease ends, as long as there is no unpaid rent or property damage. The basic monthly building maintenance fee is about $47. It helps pay for the management and cleaning of shared areas. along with elevators and other shared facilities. Water, electricity, and heating are charged separately. The combined monthly cost of maintenance and utilities usually ranges from about $67 to $100, depending on usage and the season. The delivery is complete. Thanks for watching.